Honesty and integrity is very important. We built this practice based on caring for patients, not taking advantage of them. What I would like to do with this practice is to raise the standard of care of endodontics in this area in Pinellas County, focusing on quality. Quality matters.
The reason why I refer over is his excellence in his patient approach, his diagnostic ability with his technology with 3D cone beam CAT scans and other things. He can better diagnose things and treat them, sometimes at the same time. I feel that predictable progress that the patient has, they'll know up front before we even touch anything.
One of the things that I respect at this office is the staff is wonderful with my patients. I have patients that are scared of these types of procedures, but they come out of this office having a wonderful experience.
Well, I know that Dr. Hedrick uses a microscope for every root canal. A lot of the other endodontists, they only use them for certain teeth, which makes no sense to me. If you have the technology, you should use it for every single tooth. And I am confident that Dr. Hedrick does. So, I want my patients to have the most perfect outcome you can have. And I know that when they come here, they will have a great root canal and they're not going to experience any pain.
I think it's important that the root canal be done properly, because if not, the patients can lose the teeth or have serious infections or have to have the root canal retreated, sometimes surgically retreated. And I say this with personal experience because Dr. Hedrick has done 4 or 5 root canals on me.
So I always tell people a root canal is something that can last you a very, very long time if you have it right the first time. So it's really important to me that my patients go to someone who I trust and who I know is going to do a good job, because at the end of the day, if it doesn't go well, I'm the person that's going to have to deal with it for the long term.
I highly recommend this office. If you are not coming to Dr. Hendrick, you're going to be going to another endodontist 2 to 3 times for the same problem. So why not go to Dr. Hendrick, one-time shot, quicker, easier, and calming. And that is so important when you're having this procedure.
My first impression with this particular office, although it was a different office at that time, everybody was very warm. They were very compassionate. I had no issues at all. It was almost like I had met them all before. All of the anxiety that I normally have with the dentist, I did not have.
When somebody comes into this office, right from the beginning to them, we want them to feel that they've been treated right, that they've been treated honestly, and they've been treated fairly, and nobody's taken advantage of the situation. They were matched up with the correct treatment. That's something that is very important to me and helps me sleep better at night when I know that I have not deceived anybody. We want to make sure we get it done right the first time, and the patients understand that they got the correct treatment and a necessary treatment.